Hi you guys, so as I promised, I would come back and show you all what I turned my meatloaf into. And it is honestly my favorite recipe out of the entire book. And it is cheesy cabbage rolls. Now listen, these are not the tomato based cabbage rolls. A lot of you all, when I done it before, said, where's your sauce? Well, my meatloaf has sauce on the top and in the middle. So when I was doing my cookbook, I actually made two pans. I made a tomato-based pan and a cheesy pan. And my family loved the cheesy ones the best. So that's the ones we're going to make today. Now, if you want to add tomato soup or tomato sauce to yours, you can do that. But here's what we got so far. So there is some prepping to do when you do this. Alright, so when you are getting your cabbage ready, your cabbage leaves, you take all the dirty leaves off, and then the rest of your cabbage, I just drop the whole head of it down in here, and then your outer leaves will start falling off. Alright, now the rest of your cabbage, you're going to just cut it up and put it in your pan, and put you a spoon of bacon grease and salt and pepper, and just fry it up. I could make a meal just on that itself. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to butter our pan. Then back here, we're going to take a cabbage leaf. We're going to put a piece of our meatloaf in the middle. And back here, I've got rice-a-roni that is the beef flavored. You just fix it how you're supposed to on the package. Put just a spoonful in there. Be real easy with the cabbage leaf. And just roll it up. Just like that. Alright, show you one more. Just put your meatloaf in there. I could eat this entire pan, you all. These are my favorite. We're just going to roll them up. Just like that. Alright, fill up your pan, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so they're done. I lost a little bit of that video where I filled up my pan, but you're going to see them anyhow. So now that they're done, we are going to squirt some butter on top. Okay, I've got some mashed up Ritz crackers. I'm going to pour them all over the top of that. Now you don't have to use 2 packs, but I'm going to use 2 packs. Okay, then we're going to put cheddar cheese. I shredded all that up. Alright, now I am going to leave this uncovered and put it back in the oven till all this melts really good. Just a few minutes. Alright, you guys, so they're done. Like I said, cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. Look at that. And I cannot wait to bite into one of them. There you go. That's your cheesy cabbage rolls. Cannot wait for you all to try them. All right. Listen, I hope you guys have a good night, and I'll see y'all next time.